Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Hello Kitty Sonic. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the nose with a sideways oval. Now on each side, let's dip it down. And then let's curve it out and down like this. And then close it off with a curve across. Now we're going to hop on top and draw the eyes. On top, let's draw two curves up and down. And then inside, let's draw two ovals. Next, let's hop inside each of these and let's draw another smaller oval on the top left corner. And then a curve across at the bottom. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Inside the bottom section, let's draw a curve on the left side. And then a curve over to the right underneath. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's start drawing the head. Let's start on the left and let's draw a long curve across the top and bring it down on the other side. Now underneath on each side, we're going to step up from the bottom and let's draw a curve down. Now on the bottom left here, let's draw a curve down to the center, and the same on the right side. Now let's hop on top and let's start drawing Hello Kitty's face. Let's draw a small oval in the center for the nose. Then let's hop out and let's draw two ovals for the eyes. And color these both in black. Now on the top right here, let's draw the bow. Let's start with the circle. And then let's curve it out and back in on each side. And then inside, let's draw a bump on the left and the right. Now that we have the bow, let's continue drawing the head. On the left side, let's draw a curve across. And then let's bring it up and down for the ear. And let's do the same on the right side. Now to continue the head, let's draw a long curve down and bring it up at the bottom. And the same on the other side. Now underneath, let's curve it down. And bring it back in. And lastly for the head, let's draw 3 lines out on each side for the whiskers. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve down and bring it back up. And then let's add a circle inside. Now top to the sides and draw the arms. Let's draw 2 curves down and out on each side. And then at the ends, let's draw an oval across like this. Now underneath, let's draw the hands. On the inside, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then a small curve out. Now top back up to the oval and let's draw a curve down and in to finish off each hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back in and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 angles down and out on the left and 2 on the right. And then underneath, let's draw a longer curve across. Now from the end, let's curve it down, around, and back up. Now for the feet, let's draw 2 curves down in the center, and then a longer curve out for the tops of the feet. And close off the bottom of each one. And lastly, inside each foot, let's draw 2 curves down. And that's it for Hello Kitty Sonic. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!